Hello guys. Hey, very sorry for the delay. I've been battling with internet connection, and my internet was just messing up. But it's back on now. So let's do something. Let's do something useful. Okay. So we're gonna learn about support and resistance. How to identify stronger levels of support and how to identify stronger levels of resistance. I'm gonna show you. Just hold on. Okay, so what is support and what is resistance? As we learned, support is always found on top and resistance is always found at the bottom, right? So let's just say market gave you these options. Let me make this back. Just want to reorganize my chart. Okay, yeah. So you have this box here. I'm just giving you an example. You have this box here. Good. And you have another one down here. Let me make this okay. Right, so let's say this is your support, this is your resistance. And before that, right on top here, you had another box here, right? So I'm going to show you how market works like. Let's just use this box a different color. Let's go down. Any time frame. And this should be red. Nice. So how does markets move? Let's say in the past, markets went like this. Reach this level of support, broke through, came all the way down to here, right? Or let's just say market went like this. Stopped at this support here, bounced off the support, went all the way up, couldn't break through, went back down again, then broke through. Now with this breaking through, it came all the way and met another level here. This level, I'll just do it blue. Met another level here, right? It couldn't break to this level, so what happened? It bounced off. So the same thing, couldn't break through this level again. It was still ranging, went up again, and finally broke through. So what is happening here? What do we see? Anytime market ranges, right? Let's say in the past, this was our level of resistance, this was our level of support, right? Market went down to support, couldn't break support, went up to resistance, came down and broke support. Once market breaks a support, it is no longer a support again. Market is now in search for a new level of support, right? So market came all the way down from this support and created a new level of support. What do you call the recent support that was broken? You refer to the recent support that was broken as a level of resistance. Market now ranges, breaks through this level of resistance. It breaks to this level of support. After breaking through this level of support, market is now looking for a newer support because this support couldn't hold. At this point here, it was strong enough, but then it couldn't hold. Market did what? Broke all the way through to a newer lower low. So what will happen is markets will do the same thing, right? Range. Market will range. It will continue ranging till it does what? Till it breaks through. So if it breaks through, where do you think market is going to? You look to your left-hand side, or market couldn't penetrate here in the past. It suffered to penetrate this level here. So you term this level here as a better, a strong level of resistance. It can hold, and if it doesn't hold, it might break through. So with you being a safe trader, you would buy from here after market breaks above this level of resistance here. You break from here, you buy from here and target taking your profit here on this level. Why? Because you are scared that what if I buy and market gets here and market doesn't break? And let's say maybe you put your take profit here, right? And let me indicate if it's something else. Maybe you put your take profit here. You're saying market is gonna go all the way across this level of resistance and go here. No. What if it doesn't reach there? Market just does the same thing it did in the past, like here. It was just ranging. So to be on the safe, you will put your take profit here, right at this point. I'll show you. Right at this point here. So when this candle goes all the way up and touches here, you would have taken your profits. You don't care what happens next. If it ranges, you've already taken your profits, right? So anytime you look to your left-hand side, you are bound to see previous levels of support and resistance that market couldn't break. Now let's go to today's lesson. Today's lesson, we're going to find out how to identify stronger levels of support and resistance. It's a very interesting topic, so let me start. First and foremost, I select my horizontal line. I put it at the lowest wick I can see. That's it here, right? I tend to find my level of resistance too. Let's put it here, the highest here. There's also one here, you can put another level of resistance here. There's another one here at this wick. I'll just put it there. Even underneath here, there's still more. I'll put it here. Before this, then you know how the game plays out. Okay. So currently, what am I looking at? Even underneath here, I can see a support here. I'll do the same thing. Try to identify this basic stuff, right? Okay. Now, with me doing this, if I should zoom in, based on the lines I have drawn, look at the one that's at the bottom here. What I drew for this. Let's go to the past. In the past, this guy couldn't go up. So this guy was a strong level of support, but it was preventing some candles from not crossing, but most crossed, right? Most big candles did cross. Okay. Let's still check in the past to see if we can find more confirmations for the lower one. You see, market came down, couldn't break. This lower one went all the way up, came down again, couldn't break. Then market broke. Market tried to go up, got rejected. So you can tell that this level is a good level of support, right? Now, how do you identify when you trade it, what you must do? Whether you're going to sell from some point and take your profit from some point. This is when it becomes very, very interesting. If I should see this thing here now, small green, big red, and there's an engulfing going short. Where am I going to take my profit from? If I sell now, I should take my profit here on this candle here. And also, I can still see that there is a doji here that runs all the way through here. So let me just put another line here, which will represent a support again. This candle has already crossed that support. You can see this thing is resting on it, that is resting on it. You see, so you can do it for every tiny bit of wick, but then you don't want to get your charts all crowded, you know. So it has crossed, so meaning it's going to come all the way where? Down here. Now, you being done with the weekly time frame, you switch to a daily time frame. In a daily time frame, what do you see? Remember, in a week, you had just one big candle crossing this, right? In a day, guess what is happening here? We have a candle that's already from underneath this line. So if I'm selling, I'll sell from here and I'll take my profit on this line here. Because this line in the past stopped right on this wick. So chances of this guy coming all the way to this level is very possible. I hope you understand. I'm going to take a different chart and I'll explain you that. Let me use GBP AUD. I'll show you how to trade this. GBP AUD, let's look at it in a week. There's a weekly time frame. Move it up. So in a weekly time frame, this is what I see. Week. Just pay attention to what I'm doing. You're going to do the same thing. These are all levels of support and resistance. Right? See, I played it on top of this wick. Look to your left. This guy couldn't break. Right? Look to your left. Again, this guy couldn't go above it. Look to your left. This guy couldn't come. This guy couldn't go. You see? So these things play an important role when trading. If you can filter all your levels out, you're bound to make some good cash. So now what I'm seeing is market came all the way at this level here. Well, this guy couldn't cross this, so this was a stronger level. It's bouncing all the way back up. Let's look at it in the daily time frame. This is it in the daily time frame. Market came to your level of support, range, and we don't know if it's going to go up or it's going to go down. But yet again, look to your left hand side, put a horizontal line on this wick here, right? You can even move it up a little bit if you want to, so it will filter with some more recent ones. So you're saying if market continues to go up, you're going to take a profit here. And what again do you see here? For me, I see a perfect, what do you see? I see a perfect downtrend. I see a perfect channel going down. So then you combine what we learned the other day, draw a channel, so this is what's happening now. Market is in a downtrend, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, where has market stopped at? Look at the line, the horizontal line I drew in. Market stopped right here on top here. So if you were selling here and market touched this your trend line, and there's also a level of support. And I said in the previous video that the trend lines, the one beneath at the bottom is support, the one on top is your level of resistance. Market came all the way, touched this level of support and bounced off. Where were you going to take your profit at? If you bought here, you were going to take your profit on this line here. And the market went right there. Once it went there, you could have continued buying if you closed above this line, but it didn't. It closed beneath it. What happened? Market started going back down. I hope you see it. Now, market is ranging at this point here. We don't know if it's going to go down or if it's going to cross going up. We don't know. But right now, all you need to do at this point is just to be patient. Just be patient. Yeah. Even again, when I look at this chart, I can still see more trend lines. I'll show you. I can still see more channels. There are more channels you can see on this chart. So the best thing for you to do when you're trading at all times is to be able to identify every little thing, because every little thing in it plays an important role. And if you do not know how to identify your chart, then you are going to lose. So let me see. Let me explain this to you. If you can find a pattern. This is so easy. See? See how it all comes? So after drawing your channel, try and identify the, let's say if price was moving up in an uptrend and touches here, the moment it breaks here, I start selling. And I get a downtrend. You know? It is very, very, it is very, very, it is very, very easy. It is very, 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 very easy. I tell you. It is so easy. You know, so you can make so much cash from just being patient and analyzing market. Currently, if I look at this, let's see if I can find a good uptrend here. I don't know if it's a downtrend or an uptrend, but let me try drawing the trend line. So you see. Then you ask the question, why didn't I add a wick to it? This one kind of the spike going up. So price bounce was up, down. So I'm guessing price might bounce off here and go up. If it doesn't bounce off here and breaks this black line, I know it's coming all the way down to where? This black support here. You know? Okay. Let's take a different pen. We're looking at gold. This is gold, right? This is gold. Now with gold, let me draw my levels here so you see what I also see for gold. First and foremost, I have resistance, support. Yeah, I can bring it down. That's cool, right? Okay. I also see another level here. That's not all. I also see another one here. And currently, with this wick here, I will include it. Everything is inclusive. That is where market is at now. So what I'm saying is, if market breaks above this level, Market is going where? Here. The market is going there. You know, if market doesn't break above that level, markets won't go there. The market will not bounce off and go down. Now, after drawing this channel, after drawing this resistance and support line, what do? I go in and I draw my trend line. See? See how easy it is. I draw my trend line. So what am I saying? What I'm saying here, let me even put another horizontal line underneath here. I'll put another horizontal line here, underneath this wick, here. I'm saying market came all the way down, bounced off this trend line right underneath this wick. See how it's all met exactly at this point, right? Market bounced off here. Market is going all the way to here. In fact, let me draw another horizontal line. Let me look at this wick here, right? So I'm saying market might go all the way and touch it before going further. Easy way to predict the market. I use MA21 and EMA8. Let me go to a 4 hour so we see what's happening. So in a 4 hour time frame, what do I see? In a 4 hour time frame, I can see markets moved in a channel. Markets broke through this black line here, this level of resistance, continued going up, broke through another level of resistance, is going towards where. So if you bought here, you will be taking your profit here. You'd have been enjoying money, right? So you would buy from here after it breaks, take a profit on this line. If it breaks this line, you're taking your profit here. Why? Because in the past, you can predict and know where market is going to, but you place your line on a wick, on the shadow of the candle here. It is very, very easy. Very, very easy. You know, you will not lose out. Okay. One last example. Let me go to a weekly time frame. There's a weekly time frame. Let's zoom in. Gold, Gold is bullish. If you buy gold for this month, you're in for some crazy money. But why am I not buying gold? Look at this wick here. See this one here? Let me put it on this other one too here, on top here. Market is currently at this point here. I'll zoom in so you see. Market is currently at this wick here. So what I'm doing is I will only buy if it crosses this wick and closes on top here. Then I'll buy from here till here. Other than that, I can still buy till I take my profit on this level. I will buy and take my profit at 1282.49. But it's a weekly trade. And the week will end when? Tomorrow. So that means next week, if this guy breaks above here, he is going down. If he breaks above this resistance here, he's going up. If he doesn't break above the resistance, then he is going down. Right? Let me find another level of support here. Another one. Yeah. Good. Now let's go to a daily time frame. We're filtering it out. In a daily time frame, this was happening. So now in the daily time frame, you're seeing Market is supposed to go all the way up to here. Market is currently here. I haven't even reached this black line yet. Draw in your trend line. What do you see? You draw in a trend line, right? Market went up, came down. Market might push to here. Market has broken so many levels here. If I should draw a horizontal line here, you would understand. Let me just put one here. See, it closed above this green line. So if you had seen this move, you would have just bought and you would be in money today. This is today's candle. I'm in this trade. I'm in this trade for gold buying. I'm actually in profit. I'll post it in the group. I'm actually in profit. You know, but all the way went all the way up here. So do well to know how to draw your trend lines, your levels of support or horizontal lines. It's very, very easy. Click on it, put it as a shadow of the wick, you know, look for the nearest one on your left. Do the same for everyone that you see. Then you go into a smaller time frame. Before you draw it, go into a weekly time frame first. Look at what's happening in a week. Draw it in a week. Go to a day. Draw some in a day. Then go to a 4 hour. Then you know where the market is going to. But in a day or in a week, or let's say in a day, you draw in your channel, right? Drawing your channel lines in a day. In 4 hours, you know what to do. You definitely know where the trend of the market is going to. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be sending more.